surges like this when it's first warming up. And then while I'm driving it, you never hear it. It's strong. It doesn't sound like it's doing it, but you can see the needle fluctuate a little bit. Here I'm kind of hearing it just a little bit, and I know that'll go away. I'm starting to hear it go away now. Then maybe, I don't know, about a minute. I'll give it a little bit of gas here. You can see now it's nice and smooth, but the needle's still will, every now and then it'll be solid, and then it just fluctuates a little bit. I mean, we're talking just a little bit. I don't really feel the surging. There's a little bit of surge still. That's it. Don't know what's causing that.